So here's how you can make money using the Temu affiliate program, and it's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app, and then once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom. Now you want to scroll down just a little bit and then click on settings. So from here, you want to make sure that you set your country and region as the United States at the very bottom, or else this won't be able to work. And you also want to double check to make sure that your currency is set as USD. So then once that has been done, you want to go back, and then now you're still in your U page. So you want to go ahead and click on categories on the bottom left-hand side, and then simply click on the search bar, and then just type in affiliate. So that's going to bring you over to the Temu affiliate program, where you can actually make money by referring people to download the Temu app using your link, or when they buy something using your link, then you actually earn a 20% commission. And for every new user that downloads using your link or your code, then you get a $5 reward. And right over here at the very top, you can see that it takes $20 minimum to be able to cash out the money that you make and then withdraw the money over to your PayPal account. So you can actually make quite a decent amount of money in here, especially if you have an audience that you can promote your link and your code to. However, if you don't have a big audience on any social medias, you can always send this to your family and friends over on Snapchat or a phone number, it doesn't really matter, and then get your friends and family members to download the Temu app using your code or your link, and you can also make money off of them. So essentially, that is how you can make money on the Temu affiliate program.